How to add someone to a WhatsApp group. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And let's get started. So to add one to a WhatsApp group, you need to be an admin in this group first. Because if you're not an admin, you'll not be able to add any participant into the group. So first, make sure that you're an admin by contacting the group owners or creators, or by knowing that you're an admin from here. As you can see, here is the word group admin. It needs to be beside your contact, and then go back. So now, after you made sure that you're an admin and you need to add someone to the group, you need to go to the group settings. So you can click on the group profile picture from here and then click on this info icon here, click on it. Or you can also go to the settings by clicking on the group, opening it, and then go to the three dots up there and then click on group info. Or you can also go for it by just clicking on the group title here. So now you can either click on add here, click on it, and search for the contact that you wanna add. And you can also do this from here by clicking on add participant here, and then choose also the contact, and then click on the contact, tap on it, and then tap on this tick button, click on it, and as you can see, it's adding, and now the contact is added to the group successfully. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.